What is this, Amelia? No, it is called snow, not What is this?
Snowman. No.
So today we are going to make an instant snow, and we are going to make a snow slime. We all like snow, isn't it? Do you know which place is my favorite place? That is Jammu Kashmir. My favorite place is Jammu Kashmir because there is lots of snow. We can make snowballs and throw it to someone. We can make snowmen and so many things. But I now am living in South India. Here we don't get any snow. We can just feel the winter and cold. That's all. No snowing like Jammu Kashmir. So today we are going to make an instant snow and can play it. Or if you want to make it so cool, after making, I will show you how to make. After making, if you want so cool, you can keep it in the fridge and take it out. It will be a real snow. So come on, let's see how to make it. So we are going to make a snow with this funny bubble pants, a diaper pants. This is my sister. What is this?
No.
This is a diaper pants. We are going to make some snow out of this. Come on, let's make it. So take one diaper, any diaper. So let's tear it from here. So now what we are going to do is cut here. Here. See this. If you put this into water, it will get. So these are the water absorbing water gels. So now we have to put these into a bowl. These looks like white color cotton candies. I love cotton candy, but I cannot eat. From only one diaper, I got this much of water absorbing cotton. I think there will be so much snow. If you want to get a very smooth snow, you have to, in this stage, you can put it into a grinder and you can get a smooth fine powder and it will be fine snow. Or else you can even paint it out like this. Now in this, let's add some add some water. It can be either normal or hot water. It can mean anything. What water? So let's add it. Can you see the Pampers microgel had completely absorbed the water? See? So I think this is the best Pampers because I have put this much of water and it doesn't flow at all. Okay, I think I can even add some more water. I'll pick another water bottle and come. Okay. See, now itself it is looking like a real snow. So let's add some more water so that it will become fluffier and more snow. Wow, again it is completely absorbed. Wow, I cannot believe this magic trick. I think I can add some more water. Wow, again the water is completely dissolved. See? Oh, shit. What the hell? See? No water. Wow, I think this is now, snow is ready now, I think. Let's make an instant snowman. Oh, now let's make a snowman out of this. So make a round ball. So this is the body of the snowman. Now this is the snowman's head. So oh yeah. See, this is our snowman, but I don't have the eyes, nose, hands, and the. What is this? Okay, this is one ice cream. Who wants ice cream? Wow, it looks
Bubble.
like a real snow.
No. No.
Huh? Who wants ice cream?
Oh, wow.
So do you want ice cream? Huh? Yeah, my sister wants ice cream. Well, vanilla ice cream. You want it? You liked it? Oh, this is one ball. Little rice ball.
Oh. No. Wait. No, no.
Okay, I'll not touch it.
Up.
So now with this instant snow, we can make a slime, a snow slime, an instant snow slime. Come on, let's make the instant snow slime. That's enough, my little sister. So now with this snow, we are going to make a slime. So slime, the snow looks a little bit blue. So I'm going to add blue glue, a little light blue. To add water inside it.
Mommy.
Shaky, 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 shake. Anya, you like the snow? Okay, yeah, like snow.
No.
She's saying, I like snow. Okay, now let's pour this. The water and glue has to mix well. Now next we are going to add 1 pinch of baking soda. So now to this, let's add lens solution. Now the slime had come, I think. See? Wow. So now in this slime we are going to add snow. Okay.
No.
Let's add the snow and mix it. I think I can add more snow. That's all. Wow. the slime is so beautiful. You want strawberry ice cream? Yum, yum, yum. Wow, this snow slime looks so amazing to play. Definitely you all have to try. Come here, I'll tell you one secret. You are having a baby, you can just steal one diaper from them and cut it and make it into this. Oh, the snow slime. Oh, this amazing slime, you all have to try this. So hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.
Like,